complementary and connected. Ford Pro Telematics Essentials is a powerful fleet management tool, complementary for Ford vehicles equipped with an integrated FordPass Connect modem. Ford Pro Telematics Essentials helps to reduce vehicle downtime. Instead of monitoring vehicle conditions manually, you get the vital intelligence you need to keep them up and running. Unlock health data. When you activate your integrated FordPass Connect modem, you get access to real-time health-related features. You'll see your connected fleet at a glance, identify maintenance issues and which vehicles need attention, as well as reviewing service history carried out by your Ford dealer. From manufacturer diagnostic codes with suggested actions to customized maintenance schedules based on oil life, engine hours, AdBlue, time, and mileage. If it's on your driver's dashboard, it's on Telematics Essentials, so you'll be alerted to issues before they become problems. Connect to Ford Live. And with access to Ford Live included, you can share data directly with your dealer for smarter, faster repairs. Your Ford authorized repairer can see your vehicle using health data through smart diagnostics, which means that your dealer can diagnose the problem before your vehicle reaches the workshop, proactively order parts, flag other upcoming maintenance, and agree with you the best schedule to keep your business moving. That's Ford Pro Telematics Essentials.